So today we will make Catch the Ball mobile friendly 2.0. In the previous version of Catch the Ball, if it if we press on right side of the ball, then even sometimes it go on its left, and similar for the right side. So to change it, open a new project, delete sprite 1 and add two new sprite, ball and bowl. Drag bowl to bottom and ball to top left corner. Paint a backdrop. First choose it. I'll choose stars. Now go to balls, make a variable and name it as score. Now go to events, drag when flag clicked, then from looks add show. Now go to controls, drag a repeat 60 block and then drag a create clone of myself uh, and wait 1 second. From operators, drag quick random from 1 to 10 and change it to 0.5 to 1. Now go to looks, drag hide and from events, drag broadcast message 1 and change it to game over. Now from controls, drag when I start as a clone. From motion, drag go to X and Y, duplicate, pick random from and change it to minus 200 to 200. Then from motion, drag glide 1 seconds to X and Y, set minus 180 for Y, and for X, set it to X position. Then from controls, drag delete this clone. Now add one more when I start as a clone, then drag a forever loop and a if then condition. From sensing, drag touching mouse pointer and change it to bowl. Go to variable, drag change my variable by 1 and from controls, drag delete this clone. And change my variable to score. But it is seeming something like awkward that it's coming from another position and ball is in another position. So we'll remove this and add it over create clone of myself. But when we click the flag, the score is not changing. So we'll Go to variables, drag, set my variable to 0 and change it to score. Yes. Now go to bowl, drag event when flag clicked forever, then a if then else condition, then a if then condition, or if then if then else, then one more if then. Now from sensing, drag mouse down. If mouse is pressed, and then if it is x is mouse x is greater than the x of the ball, then it will move towards right. Mouse x greater than, and the less than also will drag. Go to motions, set mouse x is greater than, I'll duplicate this mouse x. Mouse x is greater than x position, then move 10 step. Mouse x is less than x position, then move minus 10 steps. So this one. See, this works now. Now we'll add a show block before forever loop, and from events will drag when I receive game over, then from looks drag hide. Now go to backdrops, select backdrop one and change it to game over screen. Convert it into a bitmap. Select the fill tool, change fill color to red or a gradient of two colors. I'll choose red and black. Fill it. Now convert it into vector. Then select text tool, change text color to yellow and type game over. But there will be one problem in the ball, as in when it goes to that position, it will hide, and this will also hide. So we'll add a wait 1 second block here. Sorry. And so here also. Now go to looks, drag switch backdrop to star and drag it on when flag clicked, and one more switch backdrop to stars and change it to game over screen. run it. Now this is a bit better. See, this works. Now it will save it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.